Hey guys, it's Lady Lay. So today I'm going to be showing you my planner setup for my 2021 Hobonichi planner using these tabby cats. And so I just released them on my shop and they're really easy to use, and I just wanted to show you both how super cute and how super fast and super easy they are to use. And so if you've been following me for a little bit, you know that I gave away a Hobonichi 2021 planner, the cousin planner, just like what I have here in front of me. I've never used this planner before, so I'm really excited, and as you can tell, I'm starting really early to set up my planner because I just can't wait to use it. And I'm starting with these tabs. So in my shop, these tabby cats, as I have named them, there's 12 of them, and they're going to hold your place exactly where you want them to. So I've modified the sticker since making this video, just so it was a little bit easier to fold a crease where their ears were. So it's a lot better to use actually since I've filmed this video, because that was one of the struggles that I found. But just like that, you have all 12 holding every month for you. And I also really wanted to modify the front cover, so I'd been using the personal planner, which I love how custom it is, and I rolled out this 2021 Ready or Not planner cover. I put one in my life planner, but I decided, hey, you know, I really like this color. I resurrected the marble line that I had come out with a long time ago when I first started my Etsy shop. And yeah, I was just like, this should go on my planner. And so I turned it into a big sticker and I just like sticked it on, and it looks amazing. I'm so excited. It doesn't even look like the Hobonichi planner anymore. So I did end up cutting off a little bit of the edge there that's sticking out, but it fits perfectly. And to top it off, so I have these dolls. Again, these are at my shop. I couldn't decide which one that I wanted, but in the end I did end up going with this chick here holding a coffee, because her skirt matches super nice with the marble background, and plus I am a coffee addict, so she was my icing on top. And yeah, that's gonna be my planner setup. So until I think of something else to add on, I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, follow me, and see you in my next video. Bye.